No, that goes in front of the camera though.
Action. What's going on, YouTube fans? Steven here. It's Thursday night, it's raining out, it's not very nice, but there is some good news. I just got home. I saw a nice big package sitting outside from American Powertrain. So we're gonna open up the contents. Obviously the T56 Magnum is here. The guys at American Powertrain, they make some really great stuff. So they put it all together. We're in the basement. We're gonna get this baby inside, get it unwrapped, and take a look at some of the components and talk about some of the things that we're gonna be doing with their kit. They got everything that you need: flywheel, clutch, shifter, the drive shaft. It's all there. The bell housing, all the hardware, everything to align everything. It's all there. The alignment tool for the clutch. It's all there. I opted for the T56 Magnum. I feel like it's gonna hold the power a little better than the old T56 that we had. So I got the Magnum, I got the short ratio Magnum. So the gears are gonna be a little bit closer together, but it'll be really good for autocrossing, and that's what I wanna do with the car. That's the overall goal. So let's get it inside and take a look here. Let's go. So here it is, the T56 Magnum from American Powertrain. Just got it in the basement here. We're gonna open up the contents. Just make sure that the box doesn't have any damage. Obviously these guys ship a lot of transmissions. You can tell they got it on the right pallet, strapped down the way that it should be. So it looks pretty good. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna take a look at it. Again, this is the T56 Magnum that we opted for. These are rated for 700 horsepower, 700 foot-pounds of torque. For that ls1 that we have with all those Holley components, I'm estimating somewhere in the ballpark of 450, 500 at the tires, give or take, on 93 octane. So this transmission, definitely gonna be able to hold the power comfortably, no problems. Again, American Powertrain supplied this great Tremec T56 Magnum. We got a whole kit from them that we'll be reviewing also. Flywheel, clutch, bell housing, the slave cylinder, it's all there. They offer a complete lineup for not only the third gen, but also a lot of other applications, whether you have a Firebird, a Camaro, a Mustang, a Nova, a Chevelle. Even if you needed something for your new school 4th gen, 5th gen, or even 6th gen, these guys can help you out. They're one of the biggest Tremec dealers in the nation. So let's open this up, let's take a look, and let's bask in all the glory of soon-to-be bald eagles ripping through this transmission. Man, it doesn't get much better than this, other than maybe a crate motor showing up. Maybe a new LSX block. So there it is right there, obviously. T56 Magnum in all its glory. Oh yeah. Yeah, ha ha ha. And that will get you excited. Because right now, I am excited. So what's going on, everybody? Friday night here. Just got home from work, tired, and we got some more great stuff here from American Powertrain. All the clutch components of Flywheel, I believe the bell housing, shifter, we got it all. So we're gonna open it up. Let's go through and take a look, all right? So here we go, there's the T56 Magnum right there. Obviously we received that yesterday, American Powertrain. A little bit of instructions. Let's open this baby up. Oh, there it is right there. Oh yeah, look at this right here. This is awesome. And this is what I was talking about. This is the white lightning that they sell. It's a replacement for the stock Tremec piece there for the shifter. This has some really awesome features in it. Like I said, the white lightning, again, by American Powertrain. And you can see here, there's actually an adjustment for the tension on this. So the return to center tension is there. All right, so you just literally adjust these knobs with a little Allen key, and it actually makes this return to center either faster or slower depending on your adjustment. Really awesome piece, and this is just it makes shifting this thing just so awesome. The kit, very cool. This obviously is in white, got the logo on the side, shift pattern on the top, very cool. Got the brass insert to obviously install it. Very, very nice piece. And here obviously is the bearing itself. And the nice thing about these is they are pre-bled directly from the factory. So these guys know you're going to be putting this in. They know you're going to need fluid in it. So they do that already. They get it all ready and prepped. So that literally all you got to do is literally hook it up. Here we go, here's the clutch assembly. Obviously all brand new. And obviously we have, this is our whole clutch kit here. There she is. Yeah. Nice new flywheel, oh yeah. So, big night tonight. We obviously have the American Powertrain T56 Magnum, all their great components, clutch, flywheel, bolts, everything you're gonna need to install this great transmission onto this clean and ready to rock ls1 with the Texas speed heads on it, Texas speed cam, all these great high performance parts. We also opted out for the QuickTime steel bell housing in case we wanna go racing. We don't want any issues there, so we went with the QuickTime bell. This is actually a company owned by Holley also. So we're gonna put all this together, start to finish, and let's get it back in the car soon enough. So it's time to make the T56 Magnum from American Powertrain onto our beautiful ls1 here with the QuickTime bell. We've already measured from the bell housing to the clutch fingers, got that dimension, and then also measured from the face of the transmission to the throwout bearing here. Took the dimensions, got the shims right, and we have it all assembled and ready to be mated together finally. So there we have it, the T56 Magnum from American Powertrain and their whole kit installed on the QuickTime bell housing. We got the warmed over ls1 with all the great Holley parts on it. It's got the Texas speed heads, Texas speed cam. We're gonna get this baby back in America Mobile very soon. That'll be the next video. If you haven't, subscribe, like, and comment on all of our videos. We're doing officially licensed LSX gear to random winners, just randomly picked. Get out and work on your own rides. Signing off, Steven. Peace.
Action.
Yeah, I'm going to Dollar Tree.
Oh, you gotta open up your jacket more though.
There you go.
Here I am to set the day.